Welcome to Elite Lockers guidance videos. Exclusive to Elite Lockers, we are now able to offer a new 4-digit push-button electronic combination lock. A premium locking system where lockers operating with keys are not wanted, specifically where lockers are to be used in public areas by multiple users. Elite Lockers are the only UK manufacturer offering this lock. The lock is small and compact in size, allowing it to be used across Elite's locker range. It is available in 2 working modes: multiple user mode, commonly known as public mode, and single user mode, a repeat single user. It comes complete with a service code to allow instant access, plus a master override code to activate different features of the lock. It also has a 10-year battery life and can be retrofitted to Elite's locker range where a key or padlock option was previously fitted. It is important to note that this lock requires commissioning prior to being used. An operating manual will be dispatched with all locks to assist with the changing of default settings. This lock will arrive to the customer in the locked position. To gain immediate access to the compartment, the first time user code is 1010. The solid green light confirms acceptance of the code. Turn the handle to the right to open the lock. The lock is defaulted to public mode operation. The lock is now ready to be put into use. A user would look for an empty compartment and the door would be normally in the open position. The lock is operated with a 4-digit user code. The code is entered by the push button keypad on the face of the lock. The door is then closed and a 4-digit user code required. For this example we are going to use 3321. A solid green light confirms acceptance of the code. The handle is turned to the left to close the lock. The flashing green light confirms the lock is now in the locked position. The same user would return to the lock and enter the same code they used first time. Again, the solid green light confirms acceptance of the code. The handle is turned to the right to open the lock. The flashing green light confirms that the lock is in the open position. The lock is now ready for a different user. Should the current user code be forgotten or immediate access is required to the compartment, then you can rely on using the service code. The default service code is 10101. The code is entered in this format: star key 10101 hashtag. The lock can now be opened. Please note during commissioning the service codes and master codes should be changed. When you input an incorrect user code, a red flashing light appears. The current user code for this example is 3321. And lastly, should there be a delay between inputting a user code and turning the handle, a flashing red light will appear to indicate that the lock has reset and the inputting sequence needs to be restarted. An altogether simple system for a premium 4-digit push-button electronic combination lock from Elite Lockers.